Welcome to the best picks. The best non-VESA adapter is probably one of the most versatile and useful gadgets for anyone who wants to mount their monitor but doesn't have the standard VESA mounting holes. This simple adapter can transform your monitor setup, allowing you to enjoy the ergonomic benefits of a monitor arm or wall mount, even if your monitor isn't VESA compatible. In this video, we'll explore what makes a great non-VESA adapter, and I'll share my top pick after putting several models to the test. Number 5. MOUNTUP VESA Adapter Kit. Introducing the MOUNTUP VESA Adapter Kit. It easily lets you mount your monitor to any VESA-compatible mount, even if it doesn't have the standard holes. This kit works with a wide range of monitors from brands like Dell, Samsung, HP, and more. It's designed to fit various sizes and shapes. It accommodates screen thicknesses from 1 to 2.75 inches and bezel heights from 10.5 to 16.25 inches. The arms are adjustable for a perfect fit. The heavy-duty steel construction can support monitors weighing up to 17.6 pounds. It provides a secure and stable mount for your screen. All necessary hardware is included for quick and easy assembly. Get your monitor mounted and back to work in minutes. With this kit, you can easily integrate your non-VESA monitor into your existing VESA mount system. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized workspace. What we like. It boasts a wide range of compatibility with various monitor sizes and brands. Its robust build ensures secure mounting for heavier monitors. If you need a simple, sturdy solution for your non-VESA monitor, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked great to hang the computer. I bought this as a way to mount a monitor that does not have the standard VESA holes. The monitors is still good, has 1080p clarity, bought new, but almost 10 years ago, before everything came with the VESA standard. Good way to mount older monitors. Works perfectly for what I needed. True to description and easy to put together. Dispute other reviews. I'm really not sure how anyone would have a problem putting this together since it is literally easier to set up than anything at IKEA. Instructions were straight to the point, durability is great and sturdy, and the movement of it is smooth. Number 4. VIVO Mount UVM01 Adapter Kit. It fits most 20 to 32-inch flat and curved screens, including TVs and all-in-one computers. This makes it incredibly versatile for various setups. It's built with sturdy steel, ensuring your monitor is safe and secure. It can hold up to 22 pounds, providing reliable support. Its height and depth are adjustable for a perfect fit. Plus, it has padding to protect your screen from scratches. We know setup can be tricky, so we've included an assembly video to guide you through every step. It makes installation a breeze. We stand behind it with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and friendly tech support. Your satisfaction is our priority. It's compatible with mounts and stands that support the VESA 100 by 100 mm standard. This ensures a wide range of mounting options. It accommodates screens up to 2.4 inches thick. This ensures compatibility with a variety of monitor sizes and models. What we like. This adapter is compatible with both flat and curved monitors, offering great versatility. Its solid steel construction provides reliable support. If you need a robust and adaptable solution for your curved or flat screen monitor, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is probably one of the better adapters. I liked the main horizontal support with vertical arms instead of the X-arm designs, and I liked the adjustable supports. All parts that touch the monitor are rubber covered. It comes with all the necessary hardware and tools, making it easy to set up and install. Additionally, the adapter is lightweight and easy to transport, allowing you to easily move your monitor between locations. Number 3. MOUNTUP MU0045 VESA Adapter. It fits most 19 to 32-inch monitors, up to 17.6 pounds. It's compatible with many brands like Acer, LG, HP, Samsung, and more, even if they don't have VESA holes already. Designed for monitors without VESA mounting holes, this adapter lets you use a standard monitor stand. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It's made of high-quality steel with a rust-proof coating for long life. The triangular design adds extra stability to your setup. 5 height adjustment gears and 12 glue columns let you fine-tune the height to perfectly fit your needs and monitor thickness. We stand behind our product. This adapter kit is built to last, and we offer a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's designed for a wide array of monitor brands and sizes. The sturdy build ensures a secure and stable mount. If you prioritize stability and precise height adjustment for your non-VESA monitor, this is an excellent option. What people say. It worked perfectly with my old monitor and provided a secure and hassle-free fit. This item was very easy to assemble, and works exactly as advertised. I was able to use the shims provided to make a perfect fit for my monitors. This holds my Dell and HP monitors just fine. It has adjustment at the connection point, so if your monitor is older and has a little bit more bulk to it, it can still reach the front of the screen. Number 2. Mount Pro VESA Mount Adapter. It's compatible with most 19 to 32-inch computer screens, weighing up to 17.6 pounds. It fits many brands, even those without standard bolt hole patterns. This makes it a versatile solution for various monitors. It offers 5 height adjustment gears and 12 glue columns, allowing you to customize the height for your specific screen and thickness. This ensures a perfect fit and comfortable viewing experience. Made of steel with a rust-proof coating, it's built to last. The triangular design and anti-slip pads provide extra stability and security for your monitor. It's designed for monitors without VESA holes, adapting to both 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm VESA plates. Please note it only supports landscape orientation. All necessary screws, hardware, and a user manual are included for quick and easy assembly. Simply attach it to your existing VESA mount and enjoy a more organized workspace. This adapter is the perfect solution to mount your non-VESA monitor. It provides stability, flexibility, and ease of use. Enjoy a more comfortable and productive workspace. What we like. It offers multiple height adjustment options for a customized fit. The sturdy steel construction ensures a secure and stable mount. If you need a versatile and easy-to-install solution, this is a great choice. What people say. This bracket mounted in seconds to my arm and the clips hold it securely. I move my monitor so others can see stuff and it has stayed in place since day one. The clips don't block any of the screen either. It can accommodate screens up to 17.6 pounds in weight, bezel heights between 10.39 and 17.32, thicknesses between 0.79 and 2.76, and a wide range of monitor brands, including iMac, Acer, LG, HP, Samsung, Dell, Asus, and ViewSonic. This VESA adapter offers a stable and safe mounting option for your non-VESA display and is easy to install. Number 1. VIVO Stand V002VA Dual Monitor Arm. This dual monitor arm is designed for screens up to 32 inches, even those without VESA mounts. It offers a complete and flexible solution for your workspace. It's compatible with most 17-inch to 32 monitors, each weighing up to 17.6 pounds. However, it's not ideal for curved screens or those with centrally located ports. With this mount, you get full control. Tilt it, swivel it, and adjust the height to find your perfect viewing position. It offers a wide range of motion. The padded hooks protect your screens, while the cable clips keep everything neat and tidy. Say goodbye to tangled wires. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and instructions. Plus, you're covered by a 3-year warranty and our helpful tech support. What we like. It's perfect for setting up a dual monitor workstation. The highly adjustable design allows for optimal screen positioning. If you're looking for a convenient way to mount 2 non-VESA monitors, this is your best bet. What people say. Works great for my 24-inch monitors. Easy to install and very heavy duty. Exactly what I needed and glad I found this. Easy assembly. I have an all-in-one desktop computer and a second monitor. Glad to have these off my desk and up in the air. I was needing something that was non-VESA and this worked perfectly. Since the photo, I have used the wire hider and it makes it look so clean. Was kind of tricky to put on my desk, needed my fiancé to assist when fine-tuning the position, but it's good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.